Yeah, lovelies, it's a great joy me doing this video. We're full of happiness. By the way, I am Monica and I'm from Ghana. Yeah, and thanks Mama Ogechi Madukoma for the training. I'm so happy. I'm so happy for this semi-hot process. Yes, this semi-hot process. It's a wonderful how do I even put it? It's yeah, lovely. I'm so excited for doing this video right now with you. Yes, thank you so much, Madam Ogechi Madukoma, for the training. The semi-hot process really works wonderfully. It really works wonderfully. Look at my soaps. Look at my soaps. Thank you so much for the tutorial. Thank you so much for the molds. Thank you so much for the stamps. Thank you so much for everything that you have done, for your time, for wasting your time, for being patient and nice to me as if you know me long time ago. But no, I'm just a student to you and you took me in like a sister. Yes, like a sister, and you really helped me out. I'm so happy. I'm so happy for being part of your students. Yes, this semi-hot process really works. It really works wonderfully. My soap are always on point. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the tutorial. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. The semi-hot process is very wonderful. Thank you for your patience. Thank you once again. I don't know what to say, but what I'm still going to tell you is thank you so much for being patient and nice to us, and for the training. Thank you so much. Now I can produce. Yes, I can do something. Yes, whenever people see it, wow, are they bathing soap? I'm like, no, they are laundry soap. They are like, oh, okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for this training. Thank you so much. Thank you for the mold. Thank you for everything. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you for everything that you have done for me. Thank you, and my business. Thank you. I cannot stop thanking you. I know what you have done for me. Look at my soap. They are very strong soap. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, ma'am. God bless you so much. God bless you so much for your time. God bless you. Thank you so much, ma'am. God bless you.